Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Affiliate programs and affiliate marketing, a wealth of opportunities. For as long as employment has been the mandatory way in which to make money, people have been looking for easy escapes. The dream of earning a huge salary without much work has been the goal of many but has been realized by very few. The online revolution seemed to pry open many of the doors that had shut in the real world. However, even now there is an air of disillusionment hanging around the Internet, following the dot-com crash, and rumors and speculation abound about security. But despite the seemingly insurmountable odds, one online industry that has welcomed people of all abilities, backgrounds and qualifications has continued to thrive. The affiliate marketing program is a web-based advertising realm, which offers regular website owners the chance to host advertisements and hopefully to earn a little money. Even in the affiliate program, the big money doesn't come easily. It takes time, patience, and some good business decisions. The first of these decisions lies in which industry that a new affiliate wishes to join. The Internet is a hotbed of industry performance. With its uninhibited global reach, business and enterprise has become a cornerstone for the new e-industries. One of the most successful global sectors is that of online gaming. People from all corners of the global village have been signing up and playing along in some of the most exciting betting action ever seen. Sports betting has become a particularly hot industry, turning over billions of dollars each year, and maintaining one of the largest clientele of an industry. As such, the sports betting sites provide the optimum partnership level for new affiliate looking to get a cut of the action. The fledgling affiliate is given all of the marketing tools and instructions to make their site a successful advertising forum, making the transition from internet user to marketing guru an easy one. No money exchanges hands in this initial transaction. The affiliate is instead paid on a commission basis. Each fully signed up customer the affiliate attracts brings them extra revenue. In the sports betting market, this revenue tends to be based around the financial gains that individual creates for the site. The sports betting sites ordinarily offer up to 35% of each player's revenue to the affiliate that attracted them. Therefore, affiliates can earn in line with the profits of an online bookmaker, meaning that, like the sports betting sites, the affiliate is able to earn without boundaries or caps. Due to the ease with which a person can sign up and start earning through the online sports betting affiliate program, there is absolutely nothing stopping any person signing up and earning. The potential for custom in the sports betting market is unparalleled, therefore an affiliate has a huge internet clientele to exploit. The earning capabilities of an online affiliate are only inhibited by their own willingness to work and experiment with the online advertising options. The affiliate marketing program offers opportunity, in return for very little in the way of effort or financial backing. In essence, you can reap the rewards of your own labors, whilst collecting more in the process, just through hosting advertisements. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net